Here's how to temporarily restrict a member from chatting in your Discord server on an Android device. So first, open your Discord application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. And open a server where you want to time out a member. Tap on your server name in the top. Select Settings in the top right. Scroll down. Under User Management, select Members. Then tap on a member. And you'll get the option of timeout between the edit and kick option. Go ahead and select it. Now select a timeout duration from 60 seconds to 1 minute. You also need to enter a region, which will only be visible in the audit log and will not be shown to the member. Then tap on timeout in the bottom, which is highlighted in blue color. And the member will be immediately restricted from sending messages, reacting, or joining the voice channels for the selected duration. If you want to remove a timeout before it expires, you can go back to the member's profile, tap on the three dots again, and tap on Remove Timeout. Tap on Remove Timeout again to confirm, and you'll be done. The member will immediately be able to interact in the server again. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.